Source offers services in refrigeration and HVAC, but our customers are large supermarkets, large convenience stores, small convenience stores, and we offer services in 13 states.
Source Refrigeration and HVAC, this is Kim. How may I help you?
When Source was founded in 2001, within a year, the company started experiencing double-digit growth, and that's really continued on to this day. The company was based upon paper processes, and as the company grew, the amount of paper that was processed through our system and the amount of manual transactions that were necessary was just growing exponentially.
Source had piles and piles of paperwork orders in several different branch offices trying to get the service billing out.
The field service technicians would fill out an invoice or a work order, have the customer sign it, have to hand write in most descriptions onto a piece of paper that was then transported to the office either bi-daily or weekly.
We really needed to make a change to make the business more efficient, and one that would allow us to continue to grow. We really focused in on Motorola because of their broad experience with deploying technologies, and it just made the most sense to us to partner with a successful company.
Dexterra is a software company based out of the Seattle, Washington area. We focus on enterprise mobility solutions. We have a partnership with Motorola. We really go in and work with the Motorola representatives on applications like Source Refrigeration, where we really come in and truly understand what the customer challenges are. We work with the reps to really give a winning solution for the customer.
It's a very important relationship for companies like Dexterra and Motorola to work together. Because what happens is there's a lot of work that gets done on the front side to make sure the application, the software, the platform all run very well with software and our hardware. It also helps us drive our hardware requirements as well. So by the time it gets to the customer, a lot of the issues have already been worked out.
Motorola really facilitated the creation of this successful deployment by working with us to really understand what the requirements were of the Source technicians and management, and then worked with us as we designed and built the mobile application, and then as we tested it in the field. It was really working hand in hand with them. When it really comes down to field service, the MC70 is really the best product for this particular application.
When you're working in this kind of environment in field service, the device has to work where the field service technician works every single time.
The Motorola MC70s, it's compact, it's not big and bulky, it's very small, it fits in the palm of your hand, and it's very easy to carry with you.
Essentially, it captures that work order information very quickly. It steps them through the process of collecting the data in the field in the way that management needs it to be collected and the way that the technicians work in the field.
Before we had it, everything we did was on paper, so it's just having paper or basically trying to read somebody else's writing was not good, but with the handheld we basically can capture more data, accurate data, and transmit it faster.
Prior to this change, we did not track in electronic form what we did to our customer systems. Our customers now have clear information, and we can provide them history on their equipment. I think that benefits our customers significantly. The reduction in the time to invoice generated cash, and that cash helped pay for the system in under a year. In the last 6 months, we've probably eliminated 150,000 pieces of paper, and we've eliminated nearly 500,000 manual transactions in the system.
I can get information, make sure it's documented properly. All my timekeeping basically is done this. I don't have separate pieces of paper anymore. I have one thing keeping track of anything and everything that I do.
Now the admins get a report that tells them that the work order is complete, it's been approved by the manager, and they can start their billing like that. I mean, the day the guy finishes his work in the morning, they could be billing that work order in the afternoon.
I do not like paper, so everything this does for me, it's like something you won't forget at home.
It's the right mobile device and the right application working together to really deliver a winning solution.
It's been a great project. It's been hard work, but highly successful.